Today is October 17, 2024. We have a ribbon contest today. Different there, the sessions. We choose the Batinguel, preparation of the once again for this ribbon contest. Yes, you're going to be with us to give us your guidance. That will be able to obtain what is as this morning. Thank you, Lord. This wonderful opportunity. All this we pray in Jesus' name. Thank you, Lord. So I intend.
Okay, so good morning once again. So for today's attendance, we have presiding officer, engineer, vice staff chairperson. Also have the back members, we have engineer Dumaguete and engineer Marlene Pufo. We also have for DPWH members, we have engineer Alman Kiel and engineer Luda Aro. We also have student members. This is the rest of the info. And this is yours truly. And we also have here our observer this morning from different contractors. We have from Homeworld, Mr. King, and Scaril Alambay, and Corside. And we also have from AG Construction, we have Mr. Andrew Aaron Gregorio. We also have here our colleagues from Procurement Unit. We have Engineer Jane Winter Witness. We also have Engineer Vivian Dabat and Engineer Colleen. And we also have our presenter this morning from the Planning and Design section. We have Engineer Ray Carmel Asenias, Engineer Ro Joshua Kaludod, Engineer Mark Lopria, and Engineer Nick Tomaso. And for our IT support this morning, we have suspended test by our county representative. We have Mr. Henry Square. So that's all for our attendance this morning.
Okay, we have 10 projects for 2025. First is 25 HK 0731, Convergence Program, Construction Improvement, Access Road, leading to different tourism destinations. Access Road to Cantumbol, Falls, Mabinay, Negros Oriental. Second is 25 HK 0032, Convergence and Special Support Program, Construction Improvement, Access Roads, leading to declared tourism destination. Access Road from Tabuac to Cantumbol, Falls, Bais City, Negros Oriental. 25 HK 0023, Organizational Outcome 2, declares and properties against major floods. Construction of slow protection structure, Candau-ay, Batinguel, CIS, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. 25 HK 0034, Convergence and Special Support Program, Construction and Access Roads, leading to trades, industries, economic source, roads with bridges for trade and trade infrastructure program. Sitio Dalandan, Sitio Campayugon, Collective National Highway Boundary Commission in support of the cow processing industry, Bais City, Negros Oriental. 25 HK 0735, Convergence and Special Support Program, Construction Access Roads, leading to declared tourism. Access Road from Sitio Alangay, leading to Timbuk Lake, City, Negros Oriental. 25 HK 0036. Organizational outcome 1. Ensure safe, reliable national road system development program, road widening primary roads, Nais Kapangkalan Road, kilometer 0085 plus 190 to kilometer 0085 plus 848 and kilometer 0088 plus 07415 10 kilometer 0088 plus 9 Negros Oriental. 25 HK 0037 Convergence and Special Support Program Construction Improvement Access Roads leading to declared tourism destinations. Tinapayan, Kapaha Road leading to Yankap, Lobos, 25 HK 0038 Convergence and Special Support Program Construction Improvement Access Roads leading to declared tourism destinations. Access Road leading to Negros Oriental State University, Mabinay campus going to Situbang, leading to Payaso Cave, Barangay Poblacion, Mabinay Negros Oriental. For 25 HK 0039, Organizational Outcome 1 ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, rehabilitation, construction, grading of damaged paved roads, primary roads, kilometer 0097 to kilometer 0097 plus 415 B9 Negros and 25 HK 0040 organizational outcome and ensure safe, reliable national road system for development. Primary roads, please Tabuac road by 0094 plus 00 to kilometer 0095 plus 00 Mabinay Negros Oriental. Our first presenter today is Engineer Simbias. Engineer Caloro for contract item 25 HK 0031 and 25 HK 0035 25 HK 0730. Engineer Caloro.
Okay, good morning, everyone. So the first project is the Convergence and Special Support Program. Construction improvement access roads leading to declared tourism destinations, tourism road infrastructure program, access road leading to Cantumbol Falls, Mabinay, Negros Oriental. So, approved budget of contract, we have 4.9 million with a project duration of 37 calendar days and an estimated length of 129 linear meters and a pavement details of 6.1 meters with thickness of 0.23 meters. The minimum equipment are backhoe, dump truck, payloader, plate compactor, water truck, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, bar cutter, bar bender, and cargo truck. We have the location map. The source of the aggregates will be in Samak River and the source of the cement will be in Dumaguete. This is the location map of the project. Site photo. So this will be the start of this project. This is the typical section with canal and roadside protection. And we have the super elevated section with canal and road slope protection. The item is breakdown. So the scope of works will include the construction field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, clearing and grubbing, and suitable excavation, structure excavation, common soil, foundation fill, embankment from barrel, subgrade preparation, aggregate subbase course, gravel surface course, Portland cement, concrete pavement, 0.15 meters thick, 14 days, and Portland cement concrete pavement, 0.23 meters thick, 14 days, Lean concrete class B 16.5 megapascals, grouted riprap class A, stone masonry, and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings both white and yellow.
Okay, any clarification? There's none. Proceed to next project. Section of with 35.
Next project is the Convergence and Special Support Program construction or improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destinations, tourism road infrastructure program, access road leading to Negros Oriental State University, Mabinay campus going to Sitio Bangkal to proper Old Namangka, leading to Kayasu Cave, Barangay Poblacion, Mabinay, Negros Oriental. Our budget of contract will have 9.8 million with a project duration of 60 calendar days with an estimated length of 436.5 linear meters and pavement details of 6.1 meters with a thickness of 0.23 meters. The minimum equipment are backhoe, dump truck, payloader, plate compactor, water truck pump, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, bar cutter, bar bender, and cargo truck. This is the location map, and the aggregate source is also in Samak River, and cement source is in Dumaguete. The location plan. This is the beginning of the project. This is the typical section of the project, and a super elevated section with roadside protection. Itemized breakdown. The scope of works will include the construction of field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization or demobilization, clearing and grubbing, unsuitable excavation, embankment from borrow, common soil, subgrade preparation, made of common material, aggregate subbase course, gravel surface course, Portland cement concrete pavement, with thickness of 0.15 meters, 14 days, Portland cement concrete pavement with thickness of 0.23 meters, 14 days, and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings both white and yellow.
Okay, any question or clarification? Proceed to another project.
The next project will be the Convergence and Special Support Program construction. Access roads leading to declared tourism destinations, tourism road infrastructure program, access road from Sitio Palanging leading to Tindog Batolay, Bais City, Negros Oriental. Approved budget of contract will have 4.9 million pesos with a project duration of 36 calendar days and an estimated length of 142.5 linear meters, and the pavement details 6.1 meters with a thickness of 0.23 meters. The minimum equipment are backhoe, dump truck, payloader, plate compactor, water truck or pump, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, bar cutter, bar bender, and cargo truck. This is the location map of the project. The aggregate source would be in Tabuac River, and cement source would be in Dumaguete. Location plan. So I photo the start of the project and the end station of the project. This is the typical section with the road slope protection and the super elevated section with road slope protection. The itemized breakdown. The scope of works will include the construction of field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization or demobilization, clearing and grubbing, individual removal of trees, surplus common excavation, embankment from borrow, subgrade preparation, aggregate subbase course, gravel surface course, Portland cement concrete pavement with thickness of 0.23 meters, 14 days, stone masonry, trees furnishing and transplanting, and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings both white and yellow.
Okay, any clarification? So let's proceed with the next presenter, Engineer Asinas for contract ready 25 HK0034 and 25 HK0037.
Tabuac o naman sa
Good morning, everyone. Convergence and Special Support Program construction or improvement of roads declared tourism destinations access road from crossing Tabuac to Cantumbol to Falls, Bais City. Approved budget of contract 10,290,000, project duration 61 calendar days, estimated length 196.50 linear meters, pavement detail 6.1 meters, 0.1 meters, big pieces. Equipment, backhoe, dump truck, payloader, plate computer, water truck, pump, motorized road grader, vibrator roller, one cutter mixer, concrete vibrator, bar cutter, bar bender, load truck. So this is the location map. Irrigate source is from Samak River, Mabinay. So this is the location plan. So this are the side photos. So this is the typical section with roadside protection and benching excavation. Super elevated section with CHB line canal. Super elevated section with CHB line canal and roadside protection, and super elevated section with CHB line canal, roadside protection with rubber concrete footing and benching excavation. Itemized breakdown. Construction of field office for the engineer. Progress photographs, project billboard or sign, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, clearing and grabbing, individual removal of trees, unsuitable excavation, embankment from borrow, subgrade preparation, aggregate survey scores, gravel surface scores, Portland cement concrete pavement, 0.23 meters, take 14 days, stone masonry, trees, furnishing and transplanting, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, white and yellow. Yes, sir. Kay per 1 tree is 100 seats.
Furnishing.
Yes, sir.
Then we
Please like 10 months. 10 to 100 motion ako sa
okay.
white and yellow, sir.
Any clarification? So proceed to 25 HK 0034.
Balik sa
Uniform.
6.1, sir.
Uniform.
Wala na lang.
Namin 15.
Lang ay oo, 6.1 ay with 6. Natin super E.
Ay, super is. Wala sa padili sa
Kaya na siya super E. So by
Yes, one did one. Careful mo sa padili.
the length
Like here is 15. The one area one. The naman mas audio. Diyan kita sa. Now sa every 20 minutes. Section. Okay na? Okay. Next.
So convergence and special support construction of access roads leading to traces, industries, and economic zones. City of Nalanda and City of Cambayugon connecting National Highway in support of Processing Industry by City.
Approved budget of contract 14,700,000. Project duration 81 calendar days. Estimated length 348 linear meters. Pavement detail 6.7 meters. 0.28 meters thick PCC. Minimum equipment, backhoe, dump truck, payloader, plate compactor, water truck or pump, motorized road grader, lorry roller, one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, bar cutter, bar bender, cargo truck. So this is the location map. Immediate source is from Tabuac. This is the location plan. So these are the same photos. So this is the typical section with line canal and roadside protection. Super elevated section with line canal and roadside protection. Super elevated section with line canal and roadside protection and benching excavation. So itemized breakdown, construction of field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, clearing and grabbing, individual removal of trees, removal of support structures for obstruction, surplus common excavation, structure excavation, foundation field, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, subgrade preparation, aggregate subbase scores, gravel surface scores, Portland cement concrete pavement details, 0.28 meters, take 14 days, lean concrete class B 16.5 megapascals, pipe culverts class 2 or CPC, grouted riprap class A, stone masonry, trees, furnishing and transplanting, reflectors, thermoplastic pavement markings white and yellow.
Nala ko i-ask, please take note sa excavation, sa roadway excavation. Ang volume is 9,600. So, dakota kayo cut during implementation. Take note lang na ninyo. And then, a gravel surface course for shouldering. Please take note.
Okay, any clarification? There will be none, so proceed to next project.
Convergence and Special Support Program construction for improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destinations, Dinapayan, Cambahaw Road leading to Puncak, Tanawan, Balugon, Sibula, Negros Oriental. Approved budget of contract 9,800,000. Project duration 60 calendar days. Estimated length 210 linear meters. Pavement detail 6.1 meters. 0.23 meters thick PCC. Minimum equipment, backhoe, dump truck, payloader, plate compactor, water truck, motorized road grader, vibrant art holder, one bagger mixer, complete bender, cargo truck. So this is the location map. Location plan. So these are the same photos. This is the typical section, super elevated section with road slope and roadside protection. Super elevated section with CHB line canal and roadside protection. And super elevated section with road slope protection. Itemized breakdown, construction of field office for the engineer, condition of progress photographs, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, clearing and grabbing, individual removal of trees, surplus common excavation, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, subgrade preparation, aggregate subbase scores, gravel surface scores, Portland cement concrete pavement, 0.15 meters thick, 14 days. Portland cement concrete pavement, 0.23 meters thick, 14 days. Stone masonry, trees, furnishing and transplanting, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white and yellow.
Okay, any question and clarification? There will be none. Please proceed to next presenter, Engineer Basa, Procurement HQ 0033.
Good morning, everyone.
Organizational of two properties against major floods, construction, slope protection, structure, Candau-ay, Batinguel, CIS. Group budget of 7,000. Budget duration is 138 days. Estimated debt is 87 million. Service estimation. Flood control. Minimum equipment, water truck, motorized door breeder, water truck, lead compactor, cargo truck, bar cutter, bar bender, concrete refrigerator, one cover mixer, truck, mounted brake, driver mount, generator set, welding machine, electric ribbon, and outfit. That's the location map. Left side of side photos. So that was equipment, typical section. Grip wall, elevation, or with walls loaded with details column elevation, details of itemized breakdown, construction of field office for the engineer, provision of progress, photographs, project billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization, demobilization, additional investigation, approval of structures and obstruction, reinforcing steel, grade 460, structural concrete, class A, 28 days, trees, furnishing and transplanting, structural excavation, built, mounted roof block, structural steel sheet, furnished, driven, foundation. That's
Okay, any clarification? Let's proceed to next presenter, Engineer Sagwan, for 25 HK 0036.
This project is 25 HK 0036. Organizational outcome 1. Ensure safe and reliable National Road System Network Development Program. Road widening. Primary roads, Bais Kabakalan Road, diameter 0085 plus 190 to K0085 plus 848 and K0088 plus 074.1 to K00 plus 500. Budget of contract 69,454,400. Total calendar days 248 calendar days. Estimated length 1,083 meters, 1,083.9 linear meters. Pavement details 6.7 meters with 0.2 meter thick PCCP and force. Minimum equipment requirement: backhoe with breaker, dump truck, cutting outfit, chainsaw, payloader, concrete saw, blade, boom truck, plate compactor, water truck, laboratory roller, motorized road grader, concrete saw blade, concrete vibrator, bar cutter, joint sealant machine, bar bender, cargo truck, indicator machine, beating machine, bagger mixer, the wheel type, cargo truck, 2 to 5 metric tons, and concrete screener. Location map. The source of the aggregates is Candau-ay. The first site is located at kilometer 85, 190 to kilometer 85, 848. These are the location maps. This is section 1 and section 2. These are the plan drawings, typical sections, or canal, slide canal section, event data, and for pedestrian dedication, itemized breakdown. Part A, facilities for the engineer, construction of field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs. Part B, general requirements, project billboard sidewalk, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, removal of and relocation of utilities. Part C, earthwork, clearing and grubbing, removal of structures and obstruction, removal of other structures, obstruction, earth and gutter, removal of structures and obstruction concrete, individual removal of trees, 150 to 300 mm diameter, 301 to 500 mm diameter, 751 to 900 mm diameter. Removal of actual structures obstructed, 20 meter thick PCCP and reinforced. Removal of actual structures obstruction, 910 mm diameter RCPC. Surplus common excavation, structure excavation, foundation field, embankment from roadway excavation, boulder field, subgrade preparation common material. Part B, sub-base and base course, aggregate sub-base course. Part B, surface courses, Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.15 meter thick. Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.2 meter thick. Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.28 meter thick. And Portland cement concrete pavement reinforced 0.3 meter thick. For concrete structures, Part F, reinforcing steel grade 40, structural concrete 20.68 megapascals class A. For Part G, drainage and slope protection structures, pipe culvert class 2 RCPC and stone masonry. Part H, miscellaneous structures, curb and gutter cast in place, metal guardrail, metal beam including posts with WB timbal, metal beam NP switch tail, warning sign 600 mm by 600 mm, pedestrian, school crossing ahead, pedestrian and school signs slow down pedestrian, parking signs no stopping anytime, pedestrian and school signs bike lane ahead, regulatory signs, miscellaneous sign use seatbelt sign, traffic instruction signs, movement instruction signs, slow vehicles use right lane, hazard marker 600 by 800 mm chevron signs, warning signs, road width sign, road narrows, trees furnishing and transplanting, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement marking white, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement marking yellow. For volume 3, 4, we have earthwork, structure excavation common soil, embankment from roadway, structure excavation, gravel field, partly reinforced concrete, structural concrete class A 28 days, reinforcing steel deformed grade 40, reinforcing steel deformed grade 60, and formers and formworks. That's all.
Okay, no questions, the clarification. There be none. G2, Engineer Lampuyan for 25 HK 0733.
Morning, everyone. So for the next project, we have 25 HK 0039 organizational outcome, ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, rehabilitation/reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved road, primary roads, Bais, Bangkalan Road, kilometer 97 to kilometer 97.15. So here we have the approved budget of contract, 15,342,000 pesos, with a project duration of 122 calendar days, estimated length of 415 meters, and pavement details 6.70 meters, 0.28 meter thick PCCP unreinforced. So here we have the minimum equipment backhoe, cargo truck, dump truck, payloader, motorized road grader, water truck with pump, vibratory roller, one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, joint sealant machine, concrete saw, bar cutter, bar bender, blade compactor, low bed trailer truck, chainsaw, concrete spreader, applicator machine, and heating machine. So here we have the location map with the source gates. And here we have the site photos. Here we have the picture project profile. Here we have the super elevated section with boulder fill. And here we have the super elevated section with the existing CBC. So for the itemized breakdown, we have Part A, facilities for the engineer, construction and field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs, and for the other general requirements, we have object billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization. For the earthworks, we have removal of actual structures, 0.23-meter thick CCP unreinforced, unsuitable excavation, surplus common excavation, embankment from roadway, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from barrow, common soil, boulder fill, and subgrade preparation. So for the subways and base course, we have item 200, underweight sub-base course. For the service courses, we have gravel service course, Portland cement concrete pavement, reinforced 0.28-meter thick, 14 days. For the bridge construction and concrete structures, we have reinforcing steel grade 40, reinforcing steel grade 60, and structural concrete 20.68 megapascals class A, 28 days. For the drainage and slope protection structures, we have stone masonry. For the miscellaneous structures, we have traffic instruction signs, reduced speed, then hazard markers, chevron signs, and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, white and yellow. That's all.
Okay, question and clarification. So proceed to ask presenter Engineer Sa.
Good morning, everyone. 25 HK 0040, Organizational Outcome 1, to safe, reliable national road system network development program. Road widening primary roads by Bangkalan Road, kilometer 94 to kilometer 95. The approved budget of contract is 64,501,000 with project duration 200 kapit. Sorry, nawala. Estimated length is 1,003 linear meter and pavement detail is 3.350 meters, 280, 640. The equipment is minimum equipment is backhoe, bar cutter, cargo service truck, concrete saw, concrete vibrator, dump truck, motorized road grader with clarifier, one bagger mixer, payloader, plate compactor, vibratory roller, water truck or pump truck, chainsaw, low bed trailer, concrete spreader, bar bender, cargo truck, applicator machine, and meeting machines. Here is the location map. The aggregate source is in the Locan River, Barangay location. Here is the typical section design for typical section and typical section with roadside protection design. Typical section with transition and junction design. Typical drainage design. Typical curb and gutter design. A typical plan for two-lane pavement. Typical pavement marking details. And standard reinforced concrete pipe culvert design. Typical traffic instruction warning signs. itemized breakdown. For part A, construction of field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs. For part B, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization or demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities. For earthwork, clearing and grubbing, individual removal of trees, small 150 to 300 mm diameter, individual removal of trees, small 301 to 500 mm diameter, individual removal of trees, small 501 to 750 mm dia, and individual removal of trees, 751 to 900 mm dia. Diameter, sorry ma'am, sorry. Sorry ma'am. Removal of actual structures or obstruction, 0.28 meter thick CCP and reinforced, removal of structures and obstruction, removal of surplus common excavation, structure excavation, common soil, foundation fill, embankment from roadway excavation, common soil, subgrade preparation, common material, and for part C, aggregate sub-base course. For part E, Portland cement, concrete pavement and reinforced 0.23 meter thick, 14 days. Portland cement, concrete pavement and reinforced 0.28, 14 days. Reinforcing steel grade 48, structural concrete 20.68 megapascal, class A, 28 days. Pipe culvert 910 mm diameter, class 2, RCPC. Stone masonry, gird and gutter, warning signs W2-9C, intersection and junction signs, priority merging, warning signs, pedestrian and school signs, bike lane ahead, regulatory signs, speed restriction maximum, regulatory signs, miscellaneous sign used, seatbelt sign, traffic instruction sign, movement instruction sign, reduced speed, traffic instruction sign, movement instruction sign, slow vehicle use right lane, trees, and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white. That's all.
Okay, any question and clarification? There will be none, so let's proceed with instruction to bidders.
May question? Say question.
Sa
So why did he?
DPWH right after bidders. Okay, proceed.
Okay, so let's proceed with the instruction to bidders. So the common instruction. On pages explain number which related to security of that break margin. Each page signed by bidder below the page number that the page as indicated the covering page and signed by the duly authorized to present these. All sets of documents, financial and technical documents must be properly book routed pursuant to DPWH DEO number 90 series of 2002. Checklist of technical and financial envelopes required in section 9 begins and shall be included as first page of the containing each envelopes with clear tabbing labeled for each checklist. Number 2 instructions. Instruction. Prospective bidders or contractors are likewise required to include in the technical component of bid the list of items and safety in compliance with DO number 11 series 27. So number 3 instructions for joint venture agreement prospective bidders submit either agree special pickup license, duly notarized statements from the potential joint venture which stating that they will entry into and operate by the provisions of the JVB. In the instance that their bid is successful and furnish copies, said documents in the back prior to submission of bids for eligibility processing. We also have here the district policy. So bidders are reminded of different offenses and penalties provided for in the revised IRR or 8184 and the provisions governing the imposition of sanctions. Contractors who tend to defeat the purpose of competitive bidding such as bidding without bidding, submitting late bids or paid sufficient bid for at least 3 times within a year except for valid reasons. Pursuant to DEO number 17, series of 2015. So we also have here the sworn statement stating that in case advance payment was made or given, failure to perform or deliver any of the obligations and undertakings in the contract shall be sufficient grounds to constitute proceeding on this contract. On the commission of fraud, with unfaithfulness or abuse of confidence will be sanctioned for any payment received by a person, entity, at an application involving the duty of certain goods or services. To the prejudice of the public, the government provisions pursuant to Article 3.5, series of 1950. We also have here certifications like certification of statement of availability of major construction, certification of availability of the minimum materials testing equipment, and the security declarations which do not suffice. And for our minimum wage rate, Class B, which is under Dumaguete City, Bais City, and Tabuac City, our new minimum wage rate is 430 pesos. And for Class C, under other municipalities not under Class B or Class A, our new minimum wage rate is 420. So for the safety of construction and heavy equipment, it is all contractors are instructed that all heavy equipment must be tested and certified in accordance with the standards prepared by DOLE or its recognized organizations prior to commissioning of said.
Regarding the equipment, when you submitted your pledged equipment in the bid docs, see to it that the location of the said equipment is the exact location of the site. So during the post qualification, so the location is the same with the submitted pledged equipment location. The equipment.
So additional reminders to all viewers, especially contractors online, you can purchase the bidding documents anywhere in the Philippines. All these business at regional offices.
Okay, please be informed that supplemental bid bulletin will be posted post case and will James before 7 calendar days opening bids. And submission opening of bids is on October 31, 2024, right after the deadline of submission. Okay. So this previous is